The presser foot lifter that comes with the Pfaff Creative 4.5 can truly save you a lot of time, but let me show you a couple tricks along the way. So first off, you do need to have your machine fairly close to the edge of your table. If it's in a sewing cabinet, this will still work. So as you slide it in, there's a little hole right here. You do have to kind of find at which angle you push it all the way in. And then this is situated next to your right knee. So when the presser foot is up, you can gently push over and it will activate the sensor that lowers the presser foot. So when you actually touch it just a little bit, it will bring it up just that little partial bit and then all the way up and then down. So when you're sewing, you can easily have control of it coming up or down when you're sewing. When you're stopping with the needle down, you can make it go a little higher if necessary with your knee. And look where your hands are. They're kept on the fabric. So you can still use like the scissors as you go. The foot will come back up. And then when you go to put your next piece of fabric in, just touch your knee just ever so slightly. You don't really hear a click or feel anything, but just test it so you can see that just with the little nudge of your knee, you can make the foot come down onto your fabric. And if you need to, you can push it over just a little bit and even move your fabric left or right until you're ready to actually start stitching. Now, one other trick with this, sometimes I'll move my foot control to be used with my left foot, and then my right knee can be dedicated for lifting and lowering the presser foot. That's a lot easier than using your knee and then using your foot and using your knee. It actually is easier to use your foot over here and your knee over here. You tend to not do things at the same time. So just a little FYI on how that presser foot lifter works.